every now and again something will happen in this world of ours that already happened in a different world. That would be the universe of The Simpsons, the iconic Fox sitcom that some consider the greatest television show of all time. On numerous occasions, we have shouted, "The Simpsons did it!" to actual current events. The latest in a long line of creepy coincidences involves a classic season 4 episode that somehow managed to predict the COVID-19 pandemic and the rise of so-called murder hornets in one fell swoop. After 31 seasons and well over 600 episodes, here are 10 times when The Simpsons predicted the future. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. COVID-19. Turns out The Simpsons really have predicted it all. While the world reels from a global pandemic, an episode from 1993 started becoming viral on the internet again for predicting both the coronavirus pandemic as well as the murder hornets which followed in the same year. The 1993 episode titled Marge in Chains shows a mysterious virus from Asia invading the town of Springfield. The virus starts in Japan, where a sick factory employee in Japan sneezes into numerous packages containing juicers that multiple people in Springfield buy and on opening the packages contract the disease. The symptoms of the virus, which is called the Osaka flu, turn out to be eerily similar to today's coronavirus crisis. All symptoms of a common flu. The disease spreads quickly through their current town and they battle it in the same way as the entire world currently reels under the coronavirus pandemic without a cure. Number 9. BLM movement. Photos of George Floyd's murder that seem to be from The Simpsons have gone viral, hinting that the cartoon predicted the tragedy many years ago. Twitter enjoyers shared the images wondering how the animated show was able to foretell the assault that took place in the city of Minneapolis when a Caucasian police officer knelt on a middle-aged African-American man's neck, resulting in him losing his life in what many view as a racially fueled crime, then sparking Black Lives Matter protests throughout the United States and numerous countries around the globe. But the photos that appear to precisely portray Floyd's death were created in fact by Yuri Pomo, an Italian cartoonist following the acclaimed altercation. According to an URL he has put in his Instagram bio, for the past year the illustrator has been renowned for converting many public figures into Simpsons characters after it began as a gag. Pomo formed two separate cartoons, one exhibiting scenes leading to Floyd's demise and another moment in his memory displaying protesters urging he receives justice. The long-running cartoon has predicted a lot of real-life events though. Number 8. FaceTime. The Simpsons animated TV series has entertained fans with 30 years worth of hilarious antics from Homer Simpson and his family. But the show has also been good at predicting the future. And finally, while Star Trek gets a lot of credit for predicting future technology, The Simpsons holds its own as well. For example, in Lisa's wedding, Marge and daughter have a video conversation on their picture phone. It's a technology that is strikingly similar to FaceTime. Not is this the only piece of 21st century technology foreshadowed in Lisa's wedding. That episode also features characters wearing smart watches, while the futuristic London skyline features a fictional skyscraper that looks an awful lot like the Shard, which didn't even begin construction until 2009. Number 7. Murder hornets. In a clip from the episode that resurfaced on Twitter recently, angry residents can be seen storming a hospital to demand a cure from Dr. Hibbert, who says that all he can prescribe is bed rest. The frenzied townspeople then accidentally unleash a swarm of killer bees, a scene which reminded many of murder hornets. The Simpsons really did protect 2020, wrote a Twitter user while sharing this clip. Since being posted online a day ago, the video has gone viral with over 5.4 million views and more than 80,000 retweets, along with hundreds of amazed comments. Number 6. Animal Crossing. In an interesting twist, it appears as though The Simpsons also had a bit of a head start on where gaming would go in their future. One of these jokes comes to us from the 1998 episode Bart Carney. In this episode, the Simpson family visited a traveling carnival. In between checking out the freak show and carnival food, Bart Simpson set his sights on a virtual reality game called Yard Work Simulator. The joke here is that Bart wants to play simulated chores but sounds entirely reluctant to do his actual housework when his mother reminds him that there's plenty of yard work to do back home. It's hard not to see the similarities between Yard Work Simulator and other modern games. Reddit user McCrazyDave has pointed out how close the concept seems to games like the Animal Crossing franchise. The latest game in the series, Animal Crossing New Horizons, has been a massively successful title this year. It also features a ton of virtual cores. Number 5. Super Bowl. Back in 1999, The Simpsons aired an episode called Sunday Cruddy Sunday that shows a team resembling the 49ers winning the Super Bowl in, you guessed it, Miami. The Simpsons have had a lot of episodes where they have predicted a lot of stuff, admitted Chiefs fan Chris Schott. Widely enough, he is right. The Simpsons had an episode in 1993 that predicted the Dallas Cowboys to win the Super Bowl, which they did in 1993. Also back in 1992, the Lisa the Greek episode predicted the Redskins would win the Super Bowl. 3 days later, they won. It's not only sports that the show has a strong track record in, though. In 2000, the episode Back to the Future predicts Donald Trump will be president. Number 4. JCPenney bankruptcy. Fans of The Simpsons are freaking out yet again at the thought the show predicted the fall of JCPenney. The company filed for bankruptcy amid the economic crash brought on by the coronavirus pandemic. Harking back to an earlier episode of the popular animation, fans are now wondering whether Matt Groening also knew this was going to go down years later, with cast and crew recently speaking about the show's talent for spotting events ahead of time. In 2007 episode Please Homer Don't Hammer Him, the Simpsons family is walking through a mall when Marge excitedly exclaims, "Oh, a JCPenney's!" as the family edges closer to the store, and it's soon clear the shop is derelict, with the sign in tatters and nothing on the shelves. Marge added, "You used to be here." Of course, this is a JCPenney's and not JCPenney, but still, seeing as it was announced JCPenney was filing for bankruptcy and closing some stores, this is a little freaky. Number 3. The Mandalorian. A new meme featuring a scene from a fairly forgettable Simpsons episode has showcased exactly what could happen when The Mandalorian Season 3 airs, like sometime in 2022, as the show isn't on Disney's 2021 release schedule. The meme reads, "Jedi and Mandalorians are natural enemies, like Sith and Mandalorians, or the Republic and Mandalorians, or the Empire and Mandalorians, or Mandalorians and other Mandalorians. Damn Mandalorians, they ruined Mandalore. Whatever happens, Jaren and Kryze have their work cut out for them as they try to rebuild a new Mandalore, with or without an inhabitable planet or at their disposal." With rumors running rampant that George Lucas is going to be heavily involved in new episodes of The Mandalorian Season 3, and reports that we could even be returning to prequel trilogy planet Naboo, there's sure to be a great deal of action ahead for Jaren, Kryze, and maybe even Grogu, if he and Jedi Knight Luke Skywalker make another appearance. Number 2. Christopher Columbus. Fans of The Simpsons have said that the series predicted the beheading of Christopher Columbus statue in Boston, Massachusetts this week. In the season 1 episode, The Telltale Head, Bart Simpson is seen decapitating a statue of Jebediah Springfield, the founder of the fictional cartoon town of Springfield. The statue of Columbus's Boston's waterfront park was attacked by protesters on 10 June. Like the statue of Jebediah Springfield, the head was removed overnight. Columbus is now a controversial figure in the US, largely due to mass violence perpetrated by the Italian explorer against Native Americans. The Simpsons fans were quick to point out the similarities on social media. The Simpsons done it again, wrote one commenter. The prediction was true. Number 1. Donald Trump. Speaking of politics, Donald Trump. This is probably the most talked about prediction The Simpsons got right, and perhaps shows how unlikely him actually becoming the president of the United States actually was, to the point that the cartoon simply, though it was just a gag. However, whatever your politics might be, you have to admit that the show accurately predicting that Trump would end up becoming the president is quite scary, which has led to tons of speculation over the years since it became a reality. The Simpsons even had a like-for-like shot of him going down the escalator in a mall, which actually ended up happening in real life when Trump had got the role. And that would be all. Let's end this one here before it gets any creepier. If you think you enjoyed, do press the like button. In case you want to continue watching videos like these, go to our YouTube channel and have some fun, guys. Make sure to drop some comments and tell us how you like the channel. We are signing off now. Keep vibing.